Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're facing WhatsApp video call problem, like it's getting rotated by its own, how you can fix that issue, how you can fix this problem. So as you guys can see here, whenever I'm on video call and even my phone's auto rotation is on lock, still my phone is rotating my WhatsApp video call. How to fix this issue, I'll show you. So the thing is, this happened not because of your iPhone's new software update. This happens because of the new WhatsApp update. If you open App Store and search for WhatsApp, and you will see your WhatsApp is totally up to date and it's updated last 5 days ago. So as you guys can see here, this is the new version of the WhatsApp, and you can take a screenshot of that, and whenever the new version of WhatsApp will be released, this problem gonna fix now whenever WhatsApp going to release a new update with that bug fix. So this is the kind of a bug in the new WhatsApp update, and we have all have updated this thing in our phones. So make sure you keep on checking the WhatsApp updates, and whenever you find an update, just do it and it will be fixed. You can't fix it by turning on or off your auto rotation. Whoever telling you to just lock or restart your phone or do whatever, that's not gonna fix. That's fake. So this is the whole simple fix, how to fix WhatsApp video call rotating issue. So I hope this like you find it you find this information good. I hope you find here value. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.